In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Mailchimp signup and pop-up form for your WordPress site. This is a simple process that can take just a few minutes. Whether you're experienced with WordPress or completely new, adding a Mailchimp form is a fantastic way to grow your email list, engage with your visitors, and build stronger relationships with your audience. First, open your preferred web browser and go to wordpress.com. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner and click it. You'll see several login options, and for this tutorial, we'll use Continue with Google. This method is fast and secure, especially if you're already logged into your Google account. If not, you'll be prompted to sign in. Once signed in, select the Google account linked to your WordPress site to proceed. After logging in, you'll arrive at the WordPress dashboard. On the right-hand panel, look for the Quick Links section and click Edit Site. This opens the WordPress editor where you can modify your website in real time. Once inside the editor, focus on the top left corner and click the plus icon, also known as the Add Block button. This allows you to insert new elements into your pages or posts, including forms. In the search bar that appears, type Mailchimp. When the Mailchimp block appears, click on it to add it to your page. This block is versatile, allowing you to create both inline sign-up forms and pop-up forms that match your website style. Once the block is in place, you can customize it to match your brand's colors, fonts, and layout. Adjusting these settings ensures the form blends seamlessly with your site while making it attractive and easy for visitors to subscribe. Finally, review your form and make sure everything looks and works correctly. Don't forget to save your changes before exiting the editor to ensure your Mailchimp signup and pop-up form functions properly. By following these steps, you've now added a powerful tool to grow your email list and engage your visitors efficiently. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and happy WordPress crafting.